Hello and welcome to Homeyhuts. In this video, we'll see how you can easily create and manage your offline or direct reservations using the Homeyhuts web portal. Now, if you're receiving bookings through phone calls, WhatsApp, Instagram, your own website, walk-in guests or repeat customers, there's no need to manage them separately in a notebook or an Excel sheet. You can simply add them directly into Homeyhuts and they'll appear alongside your OTA bookings in your unified calendar, giving you a complete view of your occupancy. So let's see how that works. So creating an offline reservation is quite simple. You simply log into your Homeyhuts account, go into your host control center, and over here, there are two ways you can create an offline reservation, either from your calendar or from your reservation section. Now let's jump into your calendar section. You can simply click onto the Create Offline Booking button appearing at the top of your calendar. Over here, you can select the property for which you'd like to create the reservation. Now you can enter the guest details including the guest name, phone number, email address and GST details if applicable. Next, you fill in the booking details such as check-in and check-out dates, number of guests and check-in and check-out time along with the booking amount. Now if you have already received an advance payment, you can record that over here as well. And as soon as you enter the booking amount and advance amount, the balance amount is auto-calculated. Now you can also add any extra charges for any additional services that you are providing at an additional cost. But please note, these charges will not be visible to the guest. They are only for your own bookkeeping purpose. You can add these extra charges in the notes or the check-in details for the guest, and then they will be notified for the same. You can also add your internal notes over here for your own reference, and you can also include the name of the person who is creating this booking. So for example, if someone from your team is creating an offline booking, they can add their name over here, so it becomes easier for you to track. And lastly, you can also upload the guest ID proof during the booking process or maybe add it later before the check-in. Then you also have this option to notify the guest as well. So as soon as you enable it, the guest will be notified via email and WhatsApp for the same reservation that you have created. The guest will be notified with the property name, the check-in check-out time, the check-in check-out date and any notes that you have added for them. Once everything is complete, click on to Create Booking. And that's it. Your offline reservation is now created. Now, as soon as the booking is saved, it will automatically appear in your unified calendar along with all your other OTA reservations. These dates are also blocked on your calendar across all your connected properties through the channel manager, ensuring your availability remains updated across all. Now, since this is an offline booking, there are chances that the guest might alter, edit, or maybe cancel the reservation. So in cases of any alteration, you can come under to the same reservation, click on to this edit option, make your required changes, and then hit on to the Save Changes button. You can also download an invoice for the same booking and share it with the guest. And you can also cancel the reservation from the same screen. So as soon as you cancel, the booking will automatically disappear from your unified view, and in your reservation section, it will be marked as a cancelled booking. So let's see how that works. Now, when you see the dates have been automatically reopened in your calendar, which means all your other OTA dates are also unblocked, and in your reservation section, you can see that this booking is marked as a cancelled booking. Alternatively, you can also create your offline reservation from the reservation screen as well. Simply click onto this offline booking section, follow the same steps, and hit on to Create Booking. You can keep a track of all of your reservations, be it online or offline, from the same unified reservations section. To go through your offline reservations, you can simply come under this offline booking section, and here you will be able to see all of your offline bookings that you have created. So this Homeyhuts direct booking management system will help you keep every booking in one single dashboard, which will also eventually prevent double bookings from happening, and it will also give you an accurate view across all of your connected OTAs. And that's it. Creating and managing offline reservation on Homeyhuts is just a few clicks. By keeping all your bookings online and offline in one place, you stay organized, avoid missed reservations, and manage your properties much more efficiently. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next Homeyhuts tutorial.